Good morning. My name is Neida and I am going to about my routine. During the week, I usually wake up at 6 a.m. do something I get up alive a later Sunday. First, I always do my ten. Then I get dressed and dress mission. I usually go to the Ironton kindergarten and when I come back, I always take drugs. I never split drugs because it gives my energy for the rest of the day. After drugs, I frequently go working out. I normally go on motorcycle. During the day, I work with extravagant cutting then I'm going to same day. In afternoon, I usually do house chores. I often do my homework normally. I usually my computer do study or watch videos. In really take a nap because I prefer stay active. At night, I generally have dinner with my family at 6 o'clock. After dinner, I often watch television or listen music. Before going to sleep, I always take a shower and brush my teeth again. Finally, I usually go to bed at 10 p.m.